this is us doing the cinnamon challenge, but I have to get it ready. That's really not as bad as it.
I don't want to do this.
Any freaking cinnamon will come out. Oh fuck. Dude. Oh my god. There's gonna be more cinnamon in the sink than there's on my spoon. Oh. Oops. Okay, hold your spoon out. Oh my god.
Listen to the bubbles.
Oh. Okay, I finally know how to work this. Oh my god. Okay, well, do you want to go first? Should I?
Just at the same time. Ready?
Okay, decide. You need water. Okay. Okay.
God.
Okay. One. You have to do this thing, folks. You're gonna spit it out. Okay. 1, 2, 3. You just got that all over me. Ew. Yeah, where's my water? Dude. That was so gross. Yuck.